As a working computer technician, there's nothing more annoying than a nag screen that keeps coming up randomly that I can't find a rhyme or reason to from Microsoft because we're not using Microsoft accounts, we're using local accounts. It'll say, let's finish setting up your PC. And I'm like, wait a minute, we finished setting up the PC a couple of years ago. But no, because we didn't choose a Microsoft Online account, we chose a local account. It periodically pops up after a major Windows update or after so many reboots. It says, have you changed your mind? Only it doesn't only do that. It wants to reset preferences back to their preferences, Microsoft's instead of yours, like your default browser or search engine. It is annoying at best, but when you're working with a fleet of computers, with hundreds of computers that have to be maintained, it is aggravating. So, if you're not familiar with what I'm talking about, let me show you as I recorded the screen on a recent event. And I'm just booting the computer up after the latest Windows updates that come out every second Tuesday of the month. And instead of getting my desktop, I get this nonsense. I'm trying to get to work, right? I'm trying to get back to work after an update. And my choices are either to go through this or to have it remind me in 3 days so I can be aggravated again. So of course I always hit continue because you have to answer it. And as you're answering it, you've got to be very careful over what you're reading because you might reset your search engine or other default settings. So like, for example, here, having access to my browser data. I don't want that. I hit the skip button. And then it says, let's customize your experience. I've already customized my experience. All right, skip that. Then it wants me to, hey, have you changed your mind about that Microsoft account? Like, what is this? What is going on here? Sometimes you don't even have that back button. Sometimes you have to choose other sign-in options and say, I want to sign into a local account, and then it reverts back to the main put a sign. You have to do this 3 times for Microsoft to accept it. And so the 4th time you repeat, I want to sign it locally, it finally accepts it. And then the screen goes away until it comes back again after, again, a certain number of reboots or another Windows update. So I keep hitting skip for now, and then that way I don't deal with it anymore, right? That's how I get rid of it, but it always comes back. Now, the secret is knowing how to turn it off. And it's actually very, very simple to turn off. Let me show you. Okay, all you have to do is go to your start button, go to settings. Once you're in settings, go to system. There on the left side towards the top, click once. Then towards the middle, couple down, it says notifications. Click on that and then scroll all the way down as far as it'll go. And right there it says advanced settings. Click on that, and this box that's checked right here, that is the source of your annoyance right there. Just uncheck the box. There's no save or apply. Just close the window and you're good to go. That's all it takes. Now, why couldn't Microsoft put that little checkbox on the main screen whenever it brings up what's called the second chance out of box experience, SCOOBE or Scooby? Why couldn't they just say, stop reminding me? Oh no, 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 no. You have to intentionally search for how to do this online, unless you just happen across a video like mine that makes you aware that you could turn this off because you never thought, oh, I could turn that off? Microsoft has hidden that deep into the settings, and it's clear they don't want you to know this. And you are opted in whether you like it or not. Even though you paid for the product, you are opted into this advertising and this marketing that can mess with your settings and interrupt your productivity. So, power's in your hands now. Use it wisely. Thank you for watching. I'll see you next time. Bye for now.